Hey, everybody! How you doing? How you doing? Okay, so we got a little bit of an update on the Wraith project. A lot of updates, actually. I shouldn't say little. Uh, so first and foremost, thank you for coming back if you're returning, and welcome if you're new. Be sure and hit that like and subscribe, and you can see more goodies. I've got some projects in the works. I've got some stuff done. I got some pro moto things in the works. I've got new low C XXXNT nitro that's getting restored. We got the engine over there, the CRV. Just some different things happening. We got the new Bronco build finished. I was going to put some different tires on it, but those actually fit really good, so I'm happy with those. So anyway, just drinking some coffee. Okay, so first things first. She is, as you can see, she's built. The idea was a Wraith. The only thing I think left that's actually axial would be maybe the transmission housing, but aftermarket cage. You guys are aware of that. You saw the build on that. We have since then added proper Wraith axles. We used the other axles from the original build. If you guys are watching on the actual SCX10 axles on the Bronco build, and I'll do a feature. I'm gonna start doing a feature on each of my vehicles. So this will be a little bit more of a common thing for you guys moving forward. But new set of axles. These I'm really impressed with. Stoked about them. I'm debating on updating the drive shafts. I like them, but I'm just not sure they're prepared for the power because of what I did. We added 3 ounces per front wheel in the fashion of motorcycle wheel weights. Some of you may or may not be aware of that hack. So front wheels are weighted. I have some custom gearing on here. As you guys can see, it's a 32, and if I can get this spun around, it's a 78 is what it is. Because she's not a crawler, she's more of a rock racer bouncer, if that makes any sense. So we've got her on 3S brushless. I have the, if I can see it, Holmes Hobby Trail Pro Trail Master. I can't quite get it in there. Oh man, I'm really happy with it. Oh, there we go. And a excuse me, guys. My apologies. Hobbywing. It's upside down, so let me. I stuck it to the roof. I thought it was a really good idea. So we've got the WP10BL80 brushless. I am running 3S on here. We've got the light bar on there, and that's pretty much it. I am using the radio link. No, excuse me. Got the Dumbo RC on this radio, on this car. The DDF 350. It's a good radio. I actually like it a lot. 25 kg front on axle servo. I've got the Injora wheels. These are actually really nice wheels. Really happy with these. Got the hot racing shocks. I did a 60/40 roughly 60-40 cut on the springs. So I put 40% above and or 60% above, excuse me, 40% below, so that we can still get some droop out of her. But we also still get some suspension. So again, she's more of a rock racer than she is a bouncer or a crawler. Forgive me. I'm really happy with these links. These are really nice links as well. And yeah, and then we'll do some run video as well, and you guys can see how she handles. Well, we might have blown the front axle on that one. We might have blown one on that one, guys. 3-wheel drive now. All right. Told you, a maiden voyage. Not bad, not bad for brushed. Well, then it turned out to be a pretty decent day. We ended up with 3-wheel drive on the Wraith, and it looks like I think I only lost a pin up here, so we'll have to take a look. But then went to finish up the video on the Bronco, and we lost front drive shaft. But I've got it in my pocket, but I lost the pin. So yeah. So all in all, pretty good day. You guys stay tuned for the next video, and thanks for subscribing. Appreciate you.